Hello, crafty cuties. I feel so shy talking to you here on the camera right now. And I'm in my little corner that's a mess, and I have packages that have been piling up for a while now. I have had things sent to my P.O. box probably 2 months ago, and I just wanted to be able to film it. So some things that I've received in the last couple months I've opened up because like I've talked to the person that sent it, but I did want to open some things with you guys here. I still have some things left over from the last junk trunk. I have lots of faux leather, and I'm trying to think of a way to do some kind of a clearance sale because I have like 25 full kits. So just keep that in mind, and I really am working on trying to plan out and figure out a way to get the spring junk trunk out to you guys as well. I'm starting to feel better, so I hope that you will see lots more of me soon. Okay, I'm just gonna dig in, and I'm not going to be doing this in any certain order because I don't remember like when I received all the things, and hopefully I didn't mix anything up. But I'm going to open up this package right here. This is from Louise Lucero, and she is from Mexico. And to be honest, some people probably told me they were sending me things, and at this rate with the pregnancy brain, I probably like forgot and got things mixed up. So please don't take offense to that if I'm like, oh, I don't remember this. Okay, so it looks like she sent me a letter, and I think that we had chatted. I remember chatting with her, actually. I know that I did. I don't remember exactly about what right now, but I feel like she was maybe sending me some samples of things. Yeah, I can't remember, guys. I'm gonna read the letter on my own, of course, and let's just see. So she sent me some envelopes with handmade ephemera, and look how cute. She like watercolored the envelope there. And then there is some cute little ephemera pieces in here, a little like mason jar, and some handmade tags. I'm going to try to keep this all together, and you know what, I should go kind of fast just because I do have a lot here. And then she sent me some handmade tags. These are all really pretty, and handmade is just fun and exciting, and I love adding like handmade things to my stash so that when I send things like as a thank you or whatnot, it's nice to be able to include something handmade. She sent me just a bunch of different like paper pieces. You can tell that she sewed this right here, and then this is like, whoops, a pocket that has all kinds of different little cards and things in there. Very cute. This is done up super cute. She did a lot of sewing. She sent me some fibers. These are so fun to play with, and I love how she packaged it up here. She sewed this little pocket, and then the fibers sit right in there. She did a bunch of stamping and made some like little journaling cards, and she also sent me, it looks like, a bunch of different fabric samples. So, and there are some samples of trim and burlap and handmade papers. Oh, I want to see these, but I have a lot to go through, so I'm going to try and not open up everything, every little thing with you guys. So let me set this to the side. I'm going to try to get through everything here today. Okay, this, let's see. I'm going to open this one next, actually. This is from Desiree from Pennsylvania. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the top here. I miss you guys a lot. I was about to do a live stream, but I think I've been having issues with my Wi-Fi, and I just didn't want like one of my first videos back to be all terrible quality. So, oh my goodness. Wow, wait till you guys see this. Oh my gosh. Of course I can't get into it. Eek. Brought like a different kind of scissors over. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow, this is my favorite type of thread. There is so much in here. Oh my gosh. See, I feel so bad that I did not open all this stuff up like for so long. I've just been just no motivation. You guys, if you follow my vlog channel, you probably know. Let's see, and she wrote me a really nice message here saying that she follows my channel, and I don't know her. I've inspired her. I'm gonna read this all later, of course, but she made the card as well. Thank you so much. That's so thoughtful. She I've mentioned many times that this is my favorite type of thread to work with, so I bet she might have known that, or if not, like that's also a very popular type of thread too, but oh, so sweet. Okay, this one is from Michelle DeSaro from New Jersey, and the post office messed this one up and they put it in this plastic bag saying like, we care, and basically we ruined your packaging. But I did already peek in here because I wanted to make sure nothing was ruined up, and it seemed that everything was okay. So, because I think you can file a claim on stuff like that, but it's a hassle, I know that. Okay, so I think I got everything out. Oh my goodness. So again, she has a card for me. I'm just gonna kind of peek in here. Really pretty little card here. And again, I'm gonna read this off just to kind of, you know, get this going kind of fast. She wanted to send some happy mail, and yeah, she's on Instagram at Mad Haley Crafts on Instagram. Okay, but so she sent a bunch of really pretty journaling cards. Not gonna go through all of them, but there's a bunch here. But she knew that I loved these clear pockets, so she sent me 2 packs, and that's so sweet. I love these. And yeah, my friend Lori actually had sent me, actually I think her daughter was the one that picked some up, and she sent me some a little while ago, and I haven't been crafting, so I haven't been able to use them. Oh, and there's some more little things in here too, some trim, and it looks like some maybe stickers or their tickets. So nice. So once I get back into crafting, I am going to be set. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I'm not messing things up here, mixing things up here. Okay. So this is from Roseanne, and she from Roseanne Diane, I think. And I know that she has a YouTube channel. I think it's Roseanne Designs. Gosh, I can't I'm so behind on the YouTube, you guys. She comments on a lot of my videos, and I wish I knew it off the top of my head because she has a craft channel. Yeah, I can't think of it right now, but she sent me this a while ago, and she let me know she was sending this, and it is a bunch of vintage wallpaper, and look how shimmery and pretty that is. This is like a ton. So this is something that I could add into one of the kits. The spring kit's probably going to have to be the last one I do for a while once I even get back into it. So I am going to be adding so much in those kits. I've been kind of brainstorming, and I'm going to be adding more than I had planned just because I need to make more room in my house here. So I think that's actually all. So I do have some packages here that I've already opened. So this is from Emily Evans. I'll show this really quick. It's something that I had already opened. She sent me a bunch of clear, I forget what you call these. They're like clear bags, basically. And you can use them for packaging. And I was mentioning that I like to package things in these for like the kits and whatnot, and she had a bunch, so she sent me a ton. And they have flowers on them, which would go with the spring kit very nicely. So thank you so much for that. And then I do have, like I said, and then I have some things that are already open. I'm not going to go through those because I've already opened them and looked and hopefully messaged the person and thanked them. And if I did miss something here that you'd sent me and you wanted to see, I apologize. I'm going to try to be better at this. But this is an order that I had with these, and it's like 2,000 of these tags, which I wanted to include in the spring junk trunks for decoupaging or whatever you might want to do with them. But it's seriously like the biggest box of tags ever, so I thought I would show that. So I think I got everything open that I wanted to open for this video, but I do want you guys to know that I miss you, and since I'm starting to feel a little bit better, I would say actually a lot better, I'm starting to kind of slowly get energy back because it's just been so long since I've been active that it's definitely taking a little bit. On one of the first days that I was like really deep cleaning the house, I pulled a muscle in my back really bad, which put me down for like a couple days. So I am trying to kind of slowly get back into it. I've been doing more outings with Alistair, and I've been starting to get a lot more ideas and inspiration and motivation to film videos and come back to you guys and really get on the March junk trunk. I apologize so much for not being organized and having a date that I can keep. But I am trying my best, and I know you guys understand. And if you want to see more of like what's going on in my personal life, you can check out my vlog channel, We're Cool Fam. I've been trying to post on there like once a week, just easy videos. But I hope to see you guys regularly too. And thank you so much for staying with me and continuing to subscribe when I'm not being very consistent. I appreciate it so much, and I can't wait to be back with you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.